Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna go ahead and do some cash envelope stuffing. February has been a hot mess. I'm not even gonna lie, it's been a hot mess. This budget has not gone how it's supposed to be, but nonetheless, that's not gonna stop me. Today I went ahead and just pulled out some cash, even though I've had unbudgeted scenarios. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out the cash just for all the categories so I can just, you know, pick up where I left off, even with all the nonsense going on. Because at the end of the day, I'm still trying to stay on budget. However, some months are just gonna take a toll on you. So anywho, we have our cash, we have both of our planners. So we have my budgeting planner and we have my sinking funds binder over here. And let's get to stuffing some cash envelopes. And if you're interested on my cash envelopes, I finally have them up for sale. They are 8 laminate thick cash envelopes, clear with a premium matte label laminated within the cash envelope so it doesn't rip off. So I finally did it. So if you guys are interested, I have some available on the site, but go ahead and grab them before they sell out because I have been getting orders already. So thank you guys so much for your support, and let's get right into the video. Okay, since I have not actually budgeted for paycheck one, I'm gonna go ahead and just base off everything from my February budget. This is what I'm going to go ahead and use to stuff all my cash envelopes. I believe I pulled out $437 from the bank, and that is to fill up sinking funds and my cash envelopes. So I'm going to go ahead and lay all of these denominations right over here, and I'm going to try to make them face the same way because I know some of you guys are nitpicky about it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for you guys real quick. And let me know, what is your favorite part about cash envelopes? I've heard a lot of people say that it's very relaxing for them to see people count, to hear money. And I'm just like, are you guys one of those? I'm like, money in general is nice to have. But if you like watching cash envelopes, let me know what is something that you really enjoy about these videos, because I mean, I love them. However, you know, I don't get paid every week to do them, so I gotta wait my 2 weeks every time. So let me go ahead and pull this down, put it right into frame, just like that. Beautiful. Also, just as a budget update as well, my categories are gonna be changing soon as well, because in my new apartment, I did not have washer and dryer hookups, but they actually offer a laundry site scenario. So I'm gonna have to start pulling out money for laundry. I'm like, my washer and my dryer, I donated it to my sister for storage, or like so she can use in the meantime if and when I change to a new apartment and I do have washer and dryer hookups. So I didn't get rid of it, I just lent it until I might need it again. But anyhow, yeah, I have this new category that I'm gonna hopefully use soon, maybe in March's budget, because right now I have no idea where to get coins. And I'm like, they don't accept dollars here, so yeah. All right, so the first thing is groceries. So groceries, it gets $375 the entire month. I've already stuffed 188, meaning I have to add 187 to here. So let's do it. 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 6, 7. Let's bring that down just real quick. So 120, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87. And this is supposed to last me for the rest of the month. After this, even when paycheck 2 comes around, I won't be able to stuff my cash envelopes anymore because I would have fulfilled my budgeted amount. So there we go. Groceries is done. Next is gasoline. So gasoline gets 30. So 20, 25, and 30. I did pump gas this month, so my cash envelope is empty. So 20, 25, and 30. That goes here. There we go. Next we have spending. So spending gets 125. So 100, 20, $125. And honestly, I have been using my spending money on like stuff for like the home. So like if I go to TJ Maxx, I go ahead and grab anything that like we're missing, like bathroom rugs, kitchen stuff, all that. So all my spending money is actually going into my apartment and less on me. So whatever. So 120 and 25. That is what I have left for the rest of the month. And hopefully the unbudgeted expenses stop pretty soon. And I'm just ready for March, so everything can go back to normal. Honestly, like I just want March to start so I can go back to normal, so I can be back to like my normal self budgeting. Okay, anywho, I don't budget anything for budgeted. So now we're gonna go to the miscellaneous categories, which is basically my sinking funds. And here I hold my cash envelopes. These are binder cash envelopes. These are also on sale on my site. So if you want that, you just get additional laminate here so you can hole punch at home for your needs. So for cart maintenance, we're only going to do half. So all sinking funds are going to get half except for medical co-pays. We're going to go ahead and just wait that one out. So cart maintenance gets 20 because that is half. So let's go 20, 40, 60, 80. That's in here so far. I have to do a sinking fund spread so I can update it so you guys can see my balances, because I do have some in the bank. It's not a lot, but you know, it's in there. Medical is going to get the full fund today, so 25. So 20 and 25. And let's take this out. So let's do 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. 70 so far in medical. And if you haven't seen my 2021 medical fund, my 2021 sinking funds update, I'll leave it linked in above a card so you guys can see how I'm dealing with my cash envelopes for my sinking funds. All right, next we have Nordstrom. Nordstrom has to get 60 for the entire month, but I'm only doing half, so I'm gonna do 30. So 20, 25, and 30. And I'm actually really excited. I think I've decided that this time around, if a Clarisonic goes on sale, I do want to go ahead and get it. So that's going to be part of it, which I'm so excited for because my boyfriend threw mine out by accident. So that's a whole different scenario. So 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So we have $90 so far for my Nordstrom sale. That goes in there. Then we have Black Friday. Now Black Friday is gonna be different because since now our new apartment has appliances, we don't actually have to spend our Black Friday money on that, but I am still gonna save for it because I like shopping for Black Friday regardless. So we're thinking of upgrading our TVs and yeah, I'm not sure what else, but we're planning on doing that. So Black Friday is supposed to get 40, so we're only gonna do 20 for this time around. So let me go ahead and pop that out. So we have 20, 40, 60. Oh, and this was the debt snowball money from January that I totally forgot to deposit into my bank account because I had made the $1,000 already mark. So this I'm going to go ahead and add to my bank this time around so I can go ahead and actually throw it at my car. So far we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $124 for extra debt payment. So at least I have a debt payment already set aside for February. So that's the good news for February, that even though it's not going how I want it to go, at least I'm having a debt snowball, even if it's that amount, very small, but I love it. So anyway, this was my cash envelope stuffing. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and like I said, if you guys are interested in these cash envelopes, grab them while they're still in stock on my website at erikalifevlogs.com, and I'll leave it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.